Anything you were looking for overseas can be found in Australia. We've got ancient civilization, great culture, we've got cosmopolitan cities with fantastic food, and the nature here is unsurpassed. What's been great is seeing our local community embrace the harbour. We're finding a lot more inquiries are coming from locals, and they're discovering parts of Sydney Harbour they've never seen before. There's so much for them to see. It's a real amalgam of amazing city with some absolutely iconic landmarks. But more than that, there is incredible nature within 10 kilometres of the Harbour Bridge. We've got seal colonies, we're seeing visiting dolphins, all this right on our doorstep. And there's 1,000 acres of national park right around Sydney Harbour. So it's a real mix between city and nature. There's no sight more magnificent and humbling than seeing a 40-tonne humpback whale breach just outside the Heads, 10 kilometres from the Harbour Bridge, and it puts everything into perspective.